So we are here at Deseret Peak, not going to the top though, because it's way too late in the day for that. And yeah, we're just hiking. Today is day 75, and this is all that's happening. There are a bunch of pine cones. We got these two lovely people behind us. Oh, just me. Daniel and Hannah stayed home. And like I said, we're not going all the way to the top. We only got like 7 minutes left of our hike, but I thought, hey, this is prime vlogging material. Why not record it? Look how pretty it is up here. You got a little, I don't know, rain pit over there. Got the mountains up there obscured by the trees. And then trees. Trees everywhere. And that tree has carvings on it. It's actually really common up here. Oop, there's a ditch.
Watch out for the ditch.
Trying not to be a mountain goat and get too far ahead of you guys.
Thanks.
Yep, still more carvings. All around. Oh, look at that one.
Watch out for the hole.
Oh, little hole.
Yeah, that was you.
Yeah.
You should pay more attention to where you're stepping than where you're videoing.
True.
That'll do it for today, guys. Stay safe, wash your hands, eat cereal. Peace out.